Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a video on installing a goggle camera mount for your paintball mask. It's from HK Army. I had a bicycle mount on mine. I learned how to put it on through YouTube. I like so far how this one looks, so let's get started. So the mask that I will be using for this video is the Dye i5. I normally use a B-Force grill, but I decided to go with this because I kind of miss how it felt having the comfy strap in the back. So I'm gonna put this on, and if I like it on this, I'll buy it. If I like the mount, how it looks and how it works. Well, so far it looks great, but if I like it overall, I'll buy another one. They're like $30 or a little bit less than $30 on Amazon. I'll try to provide a link in the description so you guys can order it. And let me get started on installing this. First, I just laid the little aluminum mount right in the middle. I don't know how it's gonna be in the way of the GoPro. You know, when you slip it in, you might want to adjust it towards the middle of the mask. The screws are skinny enough to fit right through the ribs. I'm gonna have to replace my phone or my camera so that I could install this with two hands, because it's kind of hard to do both things at the same time. This little piece goes on the underside of the this is pretty straightforward. You guys could probably figure this out as soon as you order it. Probably don't even need to watch this video, but I'll just show you anyways. But these small holes are threaded, so you just go underneath the ribs and meet where the bolts are, the little screws. And then it comes with a little Allen. It comes with a little Allen that you could use, a little tool, free little tool. Just put it underneath. Probably not gonna do a good job on my first time. This looks harder. Looks harder than it looks. Uh-oh. I don't think you want to flip it upside down. You might lose your screws like I did. I'm just going to move this. I'm going to turn this little screw. Hopefully I get a hole. What's up with me and trying to find holes? Cannot find the holes. So hard. Come on, hole. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, that's why. I wasn't all the way up into the ribs. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Piece of... I'm not gonna say it. You should do one at a time. I'm gonna do one at a time. Alright, screw. Screw you. I want to be in the middle. Can it be in the middle? It's so weird. The holes aren't perfectly in the middle. If you're still watching, you're not watching this because you're trying to figure out how to put it on. I think you're just watching me to see me struggle. And if you are, you're a very bad person. You're twisted. Twisted like this screw that doesn't want to go in. This better not be a 10-minute video. I don't have time for that. You don't have time for that. You shouldn't even be watching this video anymore. Honestly, you probably would have already put this on before I did. I'm still fighting this screw. Please, screw. Please. Yes. Okay, so we mastered a trick. Trick is, put one screw first. Man, this is gonna be looking clean. And this feels nice too. It's made out of aluminum. I think I already said that. I'm gonna say it again, because it's cool. Put that on. Working on our other screw. Are we centered? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Where are you? Dokonaminaska. Where is it? Please. Please. Arigato. Arigato. It works. Alright, never again. I won't say that again. Alright. Is it in the middle-ish? Doesn't look like it's in the middle. Okay, maybe it is in the middle. Let's count the ribs. Oh, I'm getting hungry just saying that. 1, 2, 3. And it's between 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. What? No. I don't know. I don't know if I'm okay with this. But there's another hole I gotta do. But if I push this rib, if I push this rib to the left, then it's gonna be forced, wouldn't it? Would it be open too much? Would it be stressing my mask out? Is my mask going to go to therapy because of all the stress? I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm tempted to just take it out and move it over here, but is that even possible? Let me see if I can push this rib that way. Okay, well, let's see what it looks like from the front. I mean, I'm not gonna notice that. I'm not gonna notice the weight difference if it's one little hair to the left. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, don't judge me. Please go easy on me, because I always put things in the back of my head, and I don't want this in the back of my head. I want to just wear this on my head and not worry about it in my head. You get me? Right. This one should be easy to just go in now because everything else is lined up. Unless I got another rib in the way, which I don't think I do. Gosh darn it. I'm already at 7. Oh my god, 8 minutes? No. At this point, if you're watching, you've A, figured out that my voice is annoying and I don't stop talking. B, you just want to see me suffer some more, and I hope that's not the case, and I hope I don't have to suffer more. And C, because you like me, which is highly unlikely, but here I am, showing you my struggle. So hopefully you understand that you're not the only one that struggles putting these on. But it's not that bad, actually. To be honest, this is easier than having put that bicycle mount. I wish I had it so you could see it. It just, you know how they are. They have like, there's a flat piece, and in the middle, it's like a circle, like a half moon, like this, and then it goes like that. And if you put that on here, the camera sticks up that much higher. That much higher. The problem with that, like if you've seen my World of War paintball video, which I really recommend you don't watch, because my camera got shot right in the face, and you could hardly see my badass rocket launcher kill that I did with the Nerf rocket launcher that I made, which I still have to make a video on how I made it. There are videos on how to make them, but I did mine differently, so you might want to watch mine. It looks pretty cool. You can hang it somewhere, make it look nice in your house. Anyways, this is about this. I forgot. Sorry. Alright, let's finish this up. I said it was going to be 10 minutes long, and oh my gosh. It's 10 minutes. 10:02, 10:03, 10:04. Oh. Alright. Alright, this is on. I'm gonna lose all my 1 subscribers that I have because they're probably disappointed in how long it's taking me to put this on. You guys. It's not in the middle. Be in the middle. Be in the middle. Be in the middle. Okay. I'm thirsty. I need some water. Man, this is nice. Maybe I should put some blue Loctite. Blue Loctite is medium strength. Red Loctite is really high strength. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't put red. Red means it's really freaking important and really freaking strong. You want blue, like this mask. This dirty mask I have to clean. I haven't cleaned for years. It's probably stained now. Like I'm not gonna say it. I'm finishing this up. It feels like I'm nearing the end. I'm going through all the screws, because when you screw one in, the one might get loose because different torque pressure on each side. Okay. I don't know if I'm happy enough with these. Oh, look, see? It's loose. Loosey loose. Hopefully not stripping it. Not that strong, am I? Okay. Loose? No? Tight? Just don't want this coming off on me, man. $30. It's $30, not cheap. Bicycle mount was like $10, but I got shot in the face on it. If it was short, like with this one, maybe I would have gotten hit less on the camera, only gotten a partial hit, and then you would have been able to see the rocket launcher kill. The referee actually paint checked me, and he did not see the paint on the freaking camera. The camera is huge. I don't know how you don't see. Anyways, 13 minutes. This video. Not good. You can't even see what I'm doing. cannot see what I'm doing. If you cannot see, I cannot help. Alright. See my dirty mask? What the... I'm gonna have to detail it. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. I'm actually gonna use something other than the Tipman TPX pistol. And I've only been using that in my videos because it's easy to use and just I don't have to worry about a lot. So I'm gonna use a TMC tomorrow. MagFed. Oh, please go in. Don't lose your tools. Your bolt that it came with is probably to tighten it. It's a really tight fit. I really hope I don't break it, or I hope that it fits. I don't know if you could see the... You can kind of see the bottom of the plate. Anyway. Please don't break. Okay, there we go. Now we gotta push it down. There we go. Nice. I need a smaller GoPro. GoPro, please, 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 please see this video and sponsor me. And just toss me a session 9, please, so I could talk about it. I'll do a review on it. I use this Hero 5 to do a review on it. And I would be very grateful for that. Or even just give me a discount, I'll buy it. A really good discount. So one thing that this did not come with, that I'm noticing right now, is the tool to tighten this Allen, this big bolt. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm gonna go get it. This video is already 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna go get my Allens. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Alright, I'm back. After 5 minutes. Probably 10. I don't have that much time left to record. My memory and my phone is dying. It's running out. I don't know if it's metric or standard. So I brought both. These are very good Allen keys from Home Depot. I know I'm not going to make a review on that just because I have it. See if we can make it through. This is not the most simplest thing to do. Alright, Maya, please work with me. You could see what I'm doing. Wow. Usually you guys can't see what I'm doing. No one tells me anything. Since I hate hearing my voice in videos, I'm probably not going to listen to myself when I upload it. I'm not going to edit anything because I hate listening to myself, and I'm going to end up changing everything. I'm just going to let it be. Make my life easy, no edits, just plain raw footage, unbothered. Can you see? So it doesn't give you a lot of room to just adjust it while it's tight. You might want to carry this with you. If you got dreads, you're gonna be mad as hell when you have to take this thing off and take your freaking hair off just to adjust this, and then you put your hair back on, and then you put your mask back on. So make sure you're in the spot that you kind of like. Like that's a good spot. If it's pointing too down, sometimes I'm looking down like this, right? I don't know why. Maybe I don't want to trip or something. But I think this is a good spot. Anyways, this mount, I really like it. so far, the mount that I put on when I'm running, it would wiggle a lot, and then it would cause this weird noise, like I'm getting shot by paintballs, and that wasn't the case. It's just the flapping noise. It was like flap, 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 and I didn't like that. So, this is sturdy. Hopefully, it gives you guys better. I can still upload better content, so you guys can enjoy that. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry that this video took longer than I wanted it to. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please subscribe. Please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. You know, like what all these other YouTubers are saying to do. I don't know how to do the edit where like it pops up and it says bing, like, subscribe. Yeah, I don't know how to do all that. So pretend that it's right here and it's telling you to do it. Anyways, thanks for the support. Oh, I'm missing something here. I have to look for that. This is actually another mount for a GoPro on the side, like a session. I would suggest. Not a bad idea. You could probably do it on this side too. Have two cameras so you could look like an alien. I don't know. Mickey Mouse. Alright, thank you for watching. Peace. My voice cracked. Ignore that. Peace.